Face masks are one of the most popular skincare products nowadays. It is very easy to use and it gives instant benefits. You can include it in your skincare routine for the best glowing and youthful skin. At Forever, we have one of the best skincare masks, which is the biocellulose mask. How was the biocellulose mask created? First, from fermentation from coconut. Then, the microorganisms were fed aloe vera gel. Also, the mask contains thin fibrous material, and fiber is 1,000 times more thin than a human hair, which will reach the fine lines and wrinkles more than any normal mask. And lastly, the mask is extremely moisture retaining. What are the benefits of this mask? First, it has dual benefits because this mask was dipped in serum that contains aloe vera gel and many other botanicals like seagrass, green tea, antioxidants, and glycerin. Second, both men and women can use this mask. It is good for all skin types. It is highly absorbed. It also fights aging spots, and it reduces the redness because of the extreme moisture in it. So guys, you will see instant result in just applying it one time. And how many times should you apply it per week? You can start by using it 1 to 2 times per week only. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to apply it on your face.